So let's go ahead and unbox this phone. First, this is a perfect entry-level smartphone. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome to Insights by Hamid. My name is Hamid and I have two channels on YouTube. On one channel I share easy delicious recipes and the channel name is Hamid Cooks and the link is in the description below. So if you are looking for easy delicious recipes, then make sure that you follow me on that channel. And on this channel I share insightful videos. So if you are new on this channel, then consider subscribing because there are many more insightful videos to come and you will definitely learn a thing or two by watching these videos. In today's video I'll be unboxing and giving an honest review on Redmi 9A. This phone was released 2 months back in August, and since its release it has become a very popular phone for an entry-level smartphone. But before I start unboxing, let me remind you about the giveaway that I'm conducting. I'm conducting a milestone giveaway where I'll do my first giveaway as soon as I hit 500 subscribers. And to be eligible for this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel by clicking that red subscribe button below. Also comment below subscribe. Just 2 simple steps can make you the winner of the awesome giveaway that I have planned for you guys. So let's go and unbox Redmi 9A. So I purchased this phone from the official store website, which is mestore.com. I bought this phone for around 13,000 rupees, which is about $80, and I bought it on flash sale. The original price for this phone is around 14,599 rupees, and I won't suggest anyone buying this phone for that price because if you increase your price range a bit more, you can get a way better phone than this, which is Redmi 9C. It has triple cameras and almost similar processor, but it's better than this phone. So let's go ahead and unbox this phone. First things first. So here we see the warranty card. The warranty starts from November 2020 until November 2021. Which is really good because right now we're in October. Put it aside. So this phone has 6.53 inches of HD plus dot drop display. And the battery is 5000 milliamps power battery, which is really good for this price range. And the best part about this phone is its processor, which is MediaTek Helio G25 octa-core processor, which is really good in this price range. It's one of the best processors. The camera of this phone is 13 megapixel AI rear camera, which can shoot up to 1080p at 60 frames per second. Now let's keep the phone aside. We'll turn it on first. So while the phone switches on, let's check what's inside the box. So inside the box we have a charger, a power cable, which is micro USB, it's not Type-C, and we have a SIM injector here, and inside you have user guide and the warranty card. We'll put this aside as well. Let's take off this plastic. How do we take out? The phone looks pretty cool. It's shiny. I really like the build quality here. And so the phone is finally switched on. I really like this user interface. The phone comes with latest Android 10 and MIUI 12. It's really nice and simple and easy to use. Here you can see all the specs: 2 GB RAM, octa-core processor, Android version 10, MIUI version 12. Internal storage is 32 GB. So now let's check the camera quality. The camera is nice. There is AI mode. You can also go in portrait. You can shoot up to 1080p at 30 frames or 60 frames per second. You also have portrait mode, and you also have time-lapse option, which is really good. The selfie camera is 5 megapixel camera. Also on selfie camera you can shoot in portrait mode. Now let's check the speakers and the video quality. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to Insights by Hamid. On this channel you will find loads of insightful videos. So if you are new on this channel, then consider subscribing, because there are many more insightful videos to come, and you will definitely learn a thing or two by watching these videos. I am also conducting a milestone giveaway where I will do my first giveaway as soon as I hit 500 subscribers. And to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel by clicking the red subscribe button below and comment below subscribe. Just 2 simple steps can make you the winner of the awesome giveaway that I have planned for you guys. This is a perfect entry-level smartphone. If you are a normal user like me who just uses WhatsApp or reply to emails or just watches a few videos, then this is the perfect phone. It will be the perfect choice. I will not recommend this phone for gaming because of its small RAM size, which is just 2 GB. Other than that, there is no downside about this phone. The phone does not have fingerprint unlock, which can be a deal breaker for some, but there is a facial unlock option which is nice. I will give this phone 9 out of 10 for this price range. If you are buying this phone for 14,599 rupees or $100, then I will not suggest you buying this phone. But if you're getting it for like 13,000 rupees, which I paid for this phone, then I think it's a really good deal. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you like about this phone in the comment section below. And share this video with your friends and family. And before you leave, do subscribe to the channel for more insightful videos. And also click on that bell icon so you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. I'll see you guys in another insightful video. Until then, take care of yourself and peace out.